is Indy Meets Disney. I am Cedric.
And I'm Katie.
And we are getting ready to take you on a room tour at the Dolphin Resort.
We are. This is our second time staying here. We're going to be here for the next couple of nights. And so we're going to show you all of the amenities.
All right, come along, let's do this. All right, everybody. So we are in the Dolphin Resort, and we are in the East Wing, and we are in room 9076. So let's take a look at our room. And no, they don't come with magically open doors. That's just Katie. All right, so the first thing I want to show you, when you come in, you got your closet over here. Thank you. So you got a place to hang up some clothing. You got a ironing board. You got a luggage rack there. You have a safe. You can put your own little password in, and an iron, and then an extra blanket available to you. Okay. Then over here, they offer to you a Mr. Coffee, a 1 cup coffee maker. They give you some cups. They give you some Starbucks to make in it. They give you a few packages of tea. And then your stir rods and sugars and such. And I really like this. They give you some bottles of water. So that's nice for going to the parks. So they got 4 bottles of water here. A nice ice pail. Some little tongs. And some cups. A little storage down there. And a mirror. And me. Hello. And then we go over here into the bathroom. So you see the vanity, another mirror, some storage down there with the blow dryer, some towels. We have our sink, soap dish, tissue holder, several face cloths, hand towel. And then over here, unlike Disney, their soap isn't bolted to the wall. They give you some body lotion, they give you some shampoo, they give you some conditioner, and then some bars of soap. There's some more cups. Over here and go into the restroom. There's the commode. There's a look at the shower. It's a pretty basic shower. Not too bad of a head on the shower. And then some additional shampoo, conditioner, and soap in here as well. And then a nice full-length mirror on the door there as well. Okay, let's go into this part, the main part of the room. So one of the downsides to the Dolphin is that it does come with 2 full-size beds. They don't have any larger beds in their rooms, which is a kind of a downside, but we make do. Okay, then in between the 2 beds, they have this little vanity set for some storage, or a little nightstand, I guess. And then they have plug-ins here with a USB in the center. Your phone, lamp. They have this nice little desk that's on wheels, so you can move it anywhere you want around the room, which is nice. A chair behind it, additional chair over here. And I don't know if you'll be able to see this very well or not, but check out our view from our room. We can actually see the Tower of Terror and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge from our room. And we did not even order or request a theme park view, but we got one, so that's pretty awesome. thank you to the Dolphin for that. So if fireworks were going on, we'd have a great view of fireworks from our room. And then I'll look over here at these drawers. So there's 4 there. And then this end one opens up to a fridge. So nice size, small fridge there. And those 2 more waters in there. So that's nice, already chilled, cold for us. And then pretty nice size TV to enjoy. So that's always nice, plus. And then over here by the TV, there are a couple more plug-ins to help make it easier to charge your phones and such. So that's kind of a quick overview of the room. So, like I said before, Dolphin is a pretty nice resort. We enjoy it. Got a lot of nice amenities to it, and definitely recommend that you check it out whenever you're considering your Disney vacation. Here's just a daytime shot of what that theme park view looks like. So again, there's the Hollywood Tower of Terror, and you can see in the distance as well, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for our room tour. Just wanted to say I really love the Dolphin Resort. It's really a great price. It's right about the same price point as staying at the Pop Century Resort, but you get the same amenities as you would staying at a Disney Deluxe Resort. So you can't really beat that. And just some of the things that you get, like the water and some of it already being chilled, was super awesome. And think about it, you would probably spend like $4 per bottle at the park, so there's some money you're saving there.
Yeah, definitely. And we also love the views in this room. Now you're not obviously guaranteed these beautiful views, but it's gorgeous to be able to look out. And depending where you stay, like we can see Hollywood Studios, but depending where you can stay, you can also see Epcot and see Spaceship Earth as well. So that's pretty neat. The downside, like we mentioned, the beds, they're small, just full-size beds, but it's doable, but not something I would desire. So yeah. Okay. Anything else, honey?
I think that's it.
Okay.
But if you guys could remember, just to hit that like button, helps us out to reach out to more people and get them over to our channel. So if you would do that, that would be awesome. Help us out. And if you would, please subscribe if you haven't. But I know you have, because you're awesome. But if you haven't, please subscribe, join our family. We'd greatly appreciate it. But other than that.
Yep. Until next time, guys, we will
see you real soon.
soon.
Bye.